Here in San Francisco, there's a famous restaurant called Sandong that's renowned for its fried chicken. This restaurant has been featured by countless YouTubers and influencers alike. I must admit, this is also one of my favorite spots for fried chicken in San Francisco. We make it a point to bring guests here every time someone visits. But just across the street from Sandong is another restaurant called Chang's Kitchen, which also claims to have San Francisco's best dry fried chicken wings. However, to be honest, I've never seen a single person dining in this restaurant. So today, we're going to find out if Chang's Kitchen can really compete with the beloved Sandong. Okay, so we got two different types of chicken here. One of them is the Sandong. I know what the Sandong one looks like, so Amanda's making me blindfold. And then the other one is, what's the restaurant called again? Chang's Kitchen. Chang's Kitchen. Let's just go ahead and see if I can tell the difference here. I don't know exactly what the flavors are. Like I know Sandong's flavor, never tried the Chang's Kitchen. But the thing is, like every time you go to Chang's Kitchen, it's empty. Like I've never seen anybody in there. Whereas Sandong on the opposite side of the street is always completely packed. So let's start off with the one that's right in front of me. All right, let's see. Okay, I know already that this is not Sandong. It doesn't taste like Sandong. It's more like a Chinese barbecue flavor, almost similar to like a char siu kind of taste. It's honestly really good though. Like I'm kind of sad that they placed this restaurant right next to Sandong because Sandong is taking away all their business. This is really nice. Let me just try the Sandong one next and compare this. All right, where is it? All right, let's see this one. This is a lot spicier than Chang's Kitchen. But which one do I like more? That's kind of the tricky question here, because like this one is okay. This one, the Chang's Kitchen one, is actually a lot crispier than Sandong is. You know, I think I need to get Amanda's opinion on this because honestly, they're both good, slightly different flavors. I like the texture of Chang's Kitchen more. However, this one is, you know, the classic Sandong taste. So, okay, you can take my blindfold off now so I can take a look and see what I'm eating. Oh yeah, obvious color difference. This one is like a much deeper red than the other one is.
Okay, so can you tell like the color difference? Can you tell which one is Sandong and which one is Chang's?
Yeah, this one's Chang's and this one's Sandong.
Yeah.
The one in Chang's is also bigger.
They do look chunkier.
They're chunkier wings.
Yeah. Well, if this one is spicier, then yeah, I won't do that one first because I don't want to ruin my senses.
Let me
It's actually really juicy and like soft. Try the Sandong. This one's definitely more savory. It's not as strong of a flavor as Chang's.
Yeah, I agree.
I guess it is dry fried chicken, but I think Sandong's wings are actually drier than Chang's. So which one do you like more?
All right, let's say it on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chang's. Okay. Yeah, I kind of thought so because like the Sandong one is good, but I just like the flavor of the Chang's one. Like it has a richer flavor, like a sweeter, richer flavor, whereas Sandong's is more, like it's still really good, but I just feel like this restaurant is highly underrated. And it's probably just because Sandong has, you know, all the clout, I don't know, from what, TikTok or something, but they, you know, everybody lines up for Sandong. Nobody.
We live a block away, so it's very easy for us to know that Sandong's always swimming with people. Like, there's always a line out there. But yeah, starkly different is Chang's. It's always empty, and I don't know, there's no obvious business there.
All right. Well, I think that's it. Short video. Unfortunately, if you wanted to try Chang's Kitchen, you are currently out of luck. In the subsequent months from when this video was recorded, Chang's Kitchen suffered a fire and has been closed ever since. And I honestly have no idea if and when they will reopen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. come to San Francisco and get some great chicken wings at Sandong or Chang's Kitchen. And we'll see you in the next one.